back to my YouTube channel, and today I am doing a very special video. A few days ago it was my birthday and this decor that you see behind was the same. So I thought of doing a video, about 27 things that I learned during this 27 years of my life. So without a further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so I have jotted down the points on my book, so I'm going to read them basically. I'm going to tell you about it. So if I look down, please don't mind, I'm just reading from the points I've written. So the first thing I learned is gratitude is essential. Now what I mean by this, if you cannot be thankful for whatever you have in your life already, you will never be happy, you will never be satisfied. Even if you achieve the biggest thing in your life. So please be thankful to yourself. Please be thankful for whatever you have in your life. That's really important. Be thankful and be grateful. The second point I'm going to talk about is respect yourself. And I mean that, it becomes a standard for us to tell people how to treat us. You show people how to treat yourself, in public. You don't have to be so humble. You don't have to be so humble that people literally be so rude to you that it affects you in your life. What I feel is self-respect is very important. Stand up for yourself, speak up for yourself. It's very important. The third thing is family is everything, and I mean family, period. There's nothing more than that. What I actually mean by family is the people who actually stay with you in the same house. That is your family, and the people who are like your close family members, who talk with their relatives or even your other family people, they are not staying in your house. They are your family members maybe, but the people who are in your house are literally mainly your family. What I mean by is first is parents, your siblings or your grandparents in your house, and they're very important. Now, first of all, let me take an instance. What I mean by family is important is, your parents are mostly right. So please listen to them, not hurt them. At the teenage years, we feel that, our parents are not allowing us to do things. But trust me guys, I have gone to that phase. We feel that our parents don't listen to us, they don't like us, they don't love us. But let me tell you, this is a big allegation on them. We have to be thankful for whatever they give us. So please trust them. They are mostly right. And if they don't allow you for something, or ask them why, then you think about it, whether it's really right for you, whether it's really wrong for you. And they know what is right and wrong for you until your parents are really wrong and you know to correct them. Talk to them, discuss with them things you need in life. If you want to achieve something and if they stop you in that, speak to them, discuss with them, make them understand what is good, what you want in life, what you want to be in life. And I'm sure they're going to be supportive. The next one is friends. Friends can turn into family. Now when I say, like for instance, I have like a few best girlfriends of mine who I share everything with, and they share everything with me. So they're like my good best friends, close friends who I can take as family, and they take me as their family. So what I mean by this is, some of your friends, some of your best friends can turn into family, and it is true, yes, they can turn into your family. The fifth one, what I would say is, there's always a reason to smile. When I say this, you always need to be happy. You need to find reasons to be happy. It's up to you. You are responsible for your own happiness. There should always be a reason that you need to smile. The next one is, listen to your body. What I mean to listen to your body is, like whenever you have like having a chocolate, please grab some chocolate and please have. Don't say that, okay, I'm going to put some weight on and all that stuff. No, if you really feel like eating something, please have it. If you really feel like doing something, please do it. That instance, you want to do it and you feel really bad. Trust me, if you feel like your body is saying to have a chocolate or have something, that have it and do it and see, and you'll really be happy. The next one is, even friendships can fall. As we grow as individuals, we come closer to some friends, and unfortunately, sometimes friends go away from us. and that is totally okay, guys. There's nothing wrong in that. The people who have to remain in your life, stay in your life, will totally be with you forever, and the ones who have nothing to do with your life definitely leave. So that is totally okay, and be okay with it. The next one is quality is bigger than quantity. Yes, I got this recently, like in some years back. You know, I had like so many friends, and I used to feel, okay, I'm the happiest person. I've got so many friends around the globe. And then a few years ago, I just realized that these friends are for just namesake. Like, they're going to talk to you good on your face, and then these are the same friends who want to, you know, gossip behind your back. You know, they're going to talk about you. They're going to, you know, speak rubbish about you, nonsense about you. So I think you have to have a few very quality friends, other than having quantity of friends, and that's really important. And that's what I realized a few years ago. So this is my experience, and I'm telling you that. So I really realized that quantity matters. So now I'm going to choose only quality, quality, and quality. The next one is work your ass off for what you really want. What I mean is, if you really want something in life, if you want a particular kind of lifestyle, you know, please work for it. Don't simply envy or be jealous of others' lifestyles. It's obvious they are doing something in their life, that's why they are achieving it. You cannot just envy and be jealous and call them rich, and then it's not a thing. You have, if you want that kind of lifestyle, if you want a better lifestyle than they have, definitely want to work on it. Some people may not like you, and that's totally okay. It's not your job to please everyone in this world. I feel it's totally okay. You know, if somebody likes you, wow, it's amazing. But if somebody doesn't like you, it's totally okay. That's fine. Next one is treat everyone with equal respect. When I mean this is, you know, our job titles or our socio-economic statuses, or, you know, what we have in life. Treat a person equally, irrespective of gender, irrespective of any status. The next one is get organized. I know this sounds funny, but I think a part of, you know, adulting is actually organizing your life. What I would say here is, you know, even I need to get organized. I'm trying my best to be organized. You know, first of all, clean your room, clean your closet, clean your drawer, clean your house. Basically, just clean yourself, keep yourself organized. It's really, really important. I know it's not easy, but I'm just trying my best to do this, and I'm just trying to keep things organized, because I feel if you keep things organized, you'll get them easily, and it really makes your house look, you know, clean, and you really feel good. You can, you know, do things properly. You know, make a budget, know how much you earn, know how much you spend, know how much you invest, and actually know how much you're saving. That's really important, okay? The next one is inner peace equals to success. Because life that feels good on the outside is had a lot of what life feels in the inside of you. If you are happy from within, it's really good. It means that you have really achieved success in your life. You know, if you just show people that you are happy from outside, you're not happy in the inside of you, that means it's a big failure. It just makes sure inner peace is really, really important. Try to be happy, try to get that inner peace, you know, try to be really calm. The next one is be kind, especially to people who are unkind to you. You know, even if you do one little thing for someone, that person will really remember you. Like, you know, whenever they hear your name, they're gonna be okay. They'll at least have a smile on their face. They'll be like, okay, this person had helped me some time ago, and it is really important. You need to really be kind. So please be kind to everyone around you. I don't know which number we've reached, but also learn to say no. You know, ask me. I'm a person who can never say no whenever I'm asked to do something, whenever I'm asked to, you know, to come somewhere, go somewhere. I just can't say no. I'm just trying my best to say no, because it's not good to say yes all the time, because whenever you say yes all the time, it's like you're available all the time, and people don't treat you with any respect, guys. People just misuse you, and they feel like you are all the time, you're idle all the time, and so they can just come and ask for your help any random time. So I feel you need to learn to say no sometimes. The next one is don't compare. As cool as social media can be, I think it's a trap. When you compare your lifestyle or your life to someone else's, it's really bad. As you already know, comparison is a thief of joy. So please don't compare yourself to anything, anyone, no one. And even if your parents are comparing you with someone else, please tell them not to compare you, because you are different, you are unique, and you have a different life than others. So please don't give anyone else to compare you with someone else, and please don't compare yourself with someone else. Really, really important. Don't compare. You're really going to be unhappy after that. Next one is laugh. And a lot. I mean, laugh a lot. Don't take life so seriously, you know. Please be happy. Please laugh a lot. I hope I, remain like this. I want to be a teenager at heart always. So, next one is health. There's nothing, important than your health. Make sure that you stay healthy. You have a healthy lifestyle. You eat healthy. You drink healthy. Okay. Don't just spoil your health with that. Don't take your health for granted, because you really, health is wealth, and if you have a healthy life, if you are healthy, you can do anything in life. So please take care of your health. Have the supplements you actually need. Have fruits, have vegetables, and have the food which is really healthy. I know we eat junk sometimes, that's fine, but eat sometimes. Don't go and eating every day and spoil your health like that. So it really matters. Life can suck, and it can feel unfair, but you need to understand that and be okay with it. Just try to understand yourself, accept yourself the way you are. Next one, the very important thing I learned this year is skincare. Skincare is so important. What I feel is, if you glow from within, you really have good thoughts, and definitely gonna have a happy and a beautiful life, right? Please take care of your skin, and everything else will be sorted, I feel. Makeup will only enhance the beauty you already have. So skincare is important to keep your skin really healthy and glowy. And then you can put makeup or you put whatever, and then obviously it's going to look nice. So you know what I mean, right? The next one is sleep cycle. Guys, please don't play with your sleep cycle. I have been suffering from this. In college days, when I used to stay awake at night for studies, that time onwards my sleep cycle has changed. I can never sleep early at the night. It's always me sleeping late night. Earlier it was 12 now, and now since this pandemic it's become more worse. Don't tell me. It's become 1, 2, 3 sometimes. I go to sleep sometimes at 3 o'clock in the morning, and it's really worse because you can do nothing about it. You can't change it later. Trust me, guys. Next one is stop feeling guilty about everything you do. Just enjoy your life. Don't keep on blaming yourself for something you've not done. Don't be like, okay, I am not successful because I'm not capable of doing it, or whatever the reason may be. Just try to believe in yourself. Just try to enjoy yourself. There's nothing to be guilty about. Just stay strong, and if you're confident enough, you're going to achieve anything in life. Next one is work out. I know I don't work out, but at times I do. Work out for yourself, not because someone else is doing it, not because someone else is telling you. If you really feel like working out to keep yourself healthy, please do it. Please go for it. Don't do it in any pressure. Try learning or better yourself at a new skill. Other than stalking people on Instagram or any other platform, do something with your life. Try to learn something new. Just don't gossip about others, because that won't get you anywhere. But doing something or learning something new will definitely help you in the future. Try to be very punctual. If you're not organized, I'm sure you won't be punctual. So that's why I'm trying to learn to get organized, as I told you in the previous point. So once you're organized, that comes hand in hand, I think. Organized and then punctual. So I'm trying to be punctual. The next one is self-love and self-love. Loving yourself is so important. Make time for yourself. Pamper yourself a little. Just take care of yourself. That me time which you have, that's really important, because we don't take care of ourselves if we don't give ourselves time. Take some alone time. Just sit somewhere in a corner of your house, in your room. Take your own time. Do something with yourself. Next one is apologize. If you've done something wrong, please learn to accept that you can be wrong at times. Accept yourself. Most specifically, go and apologize to the person you have done wrong to or said something to. Trust me, you're going to feel much better after you do so. buy yourself a gift. When I mean this, I just recently bought a gift for me. It was my birthday, so I told you all. So even I got some gifts for me from my side to, it's like from me to me, and really it really means a lot when you buy yourself a gift. You feel so good. Do that. Love yourself so that people love you too. People can be mean sometimes. So be strong. Make sure that nobody's sayings or anything they say shouldn't affect you. People are mean and sometimes they be very mean, and just forget about it. So guys, this were the 27 things I learned. I don't know if I added some few more in that, but I hope you liked watching my video. And if you did, please give a big thumbs up, comment, and also let me know what did you learn in your life in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next. Until then, take care. God bless you.